All right, today I want to introduce to you two new belts, two applications anyway, two new belts actually. This is our Hunterworks CF6M and Hunterworks CF851K. These are CF Moto belts. These cover most all 400 through 600 cc ATVs, UTVs, and this is going to be your 800 through 1000. Not every single model. We have two more belts that we have not released yet, and they cover the rest of the models. If you want to know what these fit for sure, just go to hunterworks.com, click products, and then CF Moto. That brings up, there's two links. It says U10 Pro, and then a link says belts only for all CF Moto. Click right there, you'll see a belt application, has the OE part number, buy, has the years and models, etc. It'd be very hard to mess up. So why should you consider a Hunterworks belt for your CF Moto? This is what we would consider an OEM Spec Plus. These belts are made for us by Mitsubishi. Once again, they make most all OEM belts. CF Moto has two different companies that make belts for them, Bando and MBL. That's what I call Mitsubishi, MBL. And majority of them these days, I believe, are going to be MBL, but nonetheless, I visited their plant, Gates plant, Timken plant, because they all have built belts for us, and the manufacturing techniques at MBL is second to none. They are outstanding belts, so you'll be able to get an OE quality belt with a higher grade compound at a lower price than at your local dealer. And I'm only aware of one other place off the top of my head that even sells an aftermarket Mitsubishi branded belt. And we are certainly cheaper than they are on these. And speaking of that, they're actually cost more than, say, our Polaris or Can-Am belts, because these are imported from Japan. The tooling is in Japan. Until we can get the volume up here in the United States, to purchase a tool, which is tens of thousands of dollars, to get them made here in the United States, they have to come from Japan, hence the extra $20, $30 over our standard belts that we do. But they're great belts. They're a great company for me to work with. This particular belt, when I say it's an OEM Spec Plus, this is not anything that Todd at Hunterworks recreated or anybody else in the United States. This is simply an OEM dimension belt with a high grade material. Okay, so don't let anybody fool you on somebody saying they're working with. Not really. And we could go in a lot of details on that, but I'm not today. We're actually going to revisit that on the U10 Pro belt at a future time. So, welcome to the family. CF Moto owners, you can purchase it on hunterworks.com, hunterworks1.com, and on Amazon. So you can get it all three places. You got any questions, Todd at hunterworks.com. Make sure you subscribe and like so you know when anything new is coming. And if any of you U10 Pro owners happen to be watching it, you're going to want to know, because your video on your belt should not be too far behind. Should be delivering to us the first version anyway, sometime in October of 25. So I never know when people are watching these videos. But anyway, got questions, hit me up. Thank you.